In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Lock Screen. Then click on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Enter your current login method and click on Face Recognition. Now hit Continue at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, make sure that this switcher next to Face Unlock is blue. Go back and check out if your face data was added correctly. So when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!